Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. Check out our fully licensed, top-of-the-line Land Rover Discovery ride-on car, which slots right into our other Land Rover lineup of ride-on cars. This battery-powered ride-on electric can be driven by the normal in-car controls by using a gear stick and pedal, and also has a separate parental remote control. It's suitable for children of up to 7 years of age or up to 122 centimetres in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 gigahertz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. Padded leather style seats. The 2-seat capacity allows your child to ride along with their friend or sibling. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.